Look this carefully. In our first folder, we have our index.html file. We have audio file which is gregor.mp3. I downloaded this audio from pixabay.com. The author is Gregor. We have a PDF file which is introduction to HTML. We have a video file which is nature.mp4. I downloaded this from pexels.com. The owner of this video is Dojong, his name I guess. I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong. His name is in Chinese or some kind of language that I can't understand, so sorry for that. And I have another picture which is pic1.png. I'm gonna close this file menu. Let me write the image tag. So image tag. In the src we can write the pic1.png, and in the alternative text I'm gonna write it is a picture. Save the file. There is a picture. Let me reduce the width and height. Width should be 300 and the height should be 200. Let me give a border here. Border, let's say 2 pixels. So we have a border of 2 pixels. Let me add a break tag for a new line, as the image tag is an inline level tag. Let's understand the embed tag. The embed tag is also an inline level tag. It is an unpaired tag, so it will have the opening and closing tag in a single tag, and it is a universal tag. With this tag we can add image, HTML file, video, audio, PDF to our web page. So if I write the embed tag, you can see we can give a source here. So in the source I'm gonna give the same pic1.png type. The type attribute is optional. We don't have to write this attribute or give any value, but let me show you an example. We can write here image/png as the picture type is png. If I save the file, you can see another image in our file. We can set the width here, let's say 300, and the height 200. Save the file, you can see the image. Let me remove this type attribute. This is not necessary actually. This does not make any difference. You can see everything is same, but we can't set the border here with the embed tag. Let me add another break tag and let me write the video tag. And here I'm gonna give the source of our video, which is nature.mp4. I'm gonna write here controls. So our video has controls to play or pause. Then I'm gonna set the width here 300 and the height would be 200. Save the file. You can see the video. We can play this here. We can use so many attributes. We can set a poster. We can give the image source here. Save the file. You can see the video has the thumbnail, which is enjoy nature. And here we can add a fallback value, which is this browser does not support video, please upgrade. So if our user's browser does not support video and it is unable to load the video tag, then this warning will be shown to him. We can add a video to our web page with the embed tag as well. So I'm gonna write the break tag for a new line, and then I'm gonna write the embed tag. I'm gonna remove the type attribute, and in the source I'm gonna give the source of our video. If I save the file, you can see this video is added by the embed tag, but we can't give a fallback value here like this one, and we can set a poster like the video tag. So without controls, embed is adding controls to the video, so that is okay, but you can check other attributes. Many are supported, many are not supported, which are supported with respect to the video tag. And the other thing is we can't add any fallback content to the embed tag. So let me write a break tag again for a new line. And to add a PDF, we don't have any dedicated tag, but we can add PDF using the embed tag. So for that, let me write the embed tag. Let me delete this type attribute, and in the source I'm gonna write the path of our PDF file, which is introduction to html.pdf. I save the file. You can see we have the PDF file with a scroll bar. The PDF is small, but let me increase the width. Let's say it will be 500 pixel. Save the file. You can see the width of the PDF is now 500 pixels. We can also set the height. Let's say it would be 500 also. Save the file. Now you can see we have other controls that we can download the PDF, we can print the PDF, then we have other options here. We can zoom out, zoom in, many other features. We can rotate. So with the help of this embed tag, we can add PDF files to our page as well. Let me add a break tag. With the help of the audio tag, we can add audio to our web page. If I give the source of gregor.mp3 and write the controls attribute, we can see audio in our web page here. We can set a fallback value here. This browser does not support audio. Please upgrade. Save the file. Now if the audio is not supported by the browser, then this fallback value will be shown to the user. We can add audio to our file using the embed tag as well. I'm gonna write the embed tag, delete the type attribute, and in the source we give the source of our mp3. If I save the file, you can see another audio is added to our web page and the audio starts automatically. So the default behavior of this embed tag that it starts playing the content whenever the page loads, but this embed tag does not support every attribute of this audio tag. You can check them out. Though the embed tag is an universal tag, it can add any kind of files to our web page. Still, it is not recommended to use the embed tag. If you want to add a video to your web page, use the video tag. If you want to add an audio, use the audio tag. If you want to add a picture, use the image tag. Because the embed tag is not recommended, it is losing its support day by day. So use the respective tags for your words. And in case of PDF file, we can use the anchor tag. So in the next video, we will see how the anchor tag behaves with different types of files. So in the anchor tag, we can give the path of any kind of files like this embed tag. While adding PDF, you can use the anchor tag, and how that will work, we will see that in the next one.